Within the admin, settings, taxes, you can configure all of the tax settings used throughout your DecoNetwork account. First, you will see that we can view our current taxes and add additional ones. We can create tax groups, and we can view the tax settings. So when it comes to the tax settings, know that we can decide when tax is applied. Is it just on products? Does it go on to shipping, rush order fees, digitizing, screen setup fees, artwork fees? Are we going to base it on the billing or the shipping address? To create a new tax, simply come up here, add tax, and give it a name. So there are times where we need a couple taxes. Maybe we have a local city tax in addition to the county tax. So we can create multiple taxes and then choose what the percentage is and how it applies. Is it going to be applied to all states? Is it a particular state? Or is it also going to be based on a very specific area? If we put in a zip code, we can then, it's not for everybody in Georgia or in my state of Ohio. It's only for those in this zip code or zip code range. If we put a dash and then put another zip code, we could have a range of zip codes. It's really that easy to create taxes. You can have as many as you want. Again, you can have them add together in an individual order. Just make sure you do it however it is supposed to be set up for your particular state or region.